How to make a YouTube thumbnail. Start with a blank 1920 by 1080 document. Make some guides. I have mine shortcutted to Ctrl G, or you can go to View, Guides, New Guide. Grab the photo you want to use. Right click and convert to Smart Object. Ctrl T to resize your image. Ctrl H to hide your guides. This image needs a bit of work, so I'm going to go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and then play around till I'm happy. Now we need to select our subject so we can get some text behind them. Go to one of your selection tools, click Select Subject, then click on Select and Mask to refine. Once you're happy with your rough selection, come down here, go to Layer Mask, click OK. Duplicate this layer by dragging it down to the plus icon. Delete the layer mask for the bottom one, and add a new layer for text. I'm going to get Pritchard's name behind. Our layer mask needs a bit of refining. Now we want a text layer above everything else. You might want to add a bit of colour. And you can add a little bit of interest. I'm going to use a splatter brush. And then just play around with little bits until you're happy with it. Get everything nice and symmetrical, get everything lined up perfectly. So here it is finished. I moved some bits around. I've added a drop shadow to the text. Nice, simple, and effective. Lovely to see you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.